Welcome to today's session on English grammar. Today, our topic is tricky cases of subject verb agreement. What is subject verb agreement? The answer is simple. A verb must agree in number with its subject. That means if subject is singular, the verb has to be singular. If subject is plural, the verb has to be plural. Look at these examples. This pen belongs to Lily. Here, pen is the subject, a singular noun. Belongs is the verb, a singular verb. A singular verb has s added at the end of the verb. Likewise, these pens belong to Lily. Pens is the subject, which is a plural noun. Belong is the verb, which is a plural verb. A plural verb does not have s added at the end. Fairly simple, but hold on. Here are some tricky cases. Tricky case 1, making subject and verb agree when words come between them. Now guess the correct answer for this. This bag of books belong to Lily or this bag of books belongs to Lily. Perhaps a little confusing for some of you. In determining subject verb agreement, don't let yourself be confused by words that come between the subject and verb. Here, the verb should agree with the subject bag. Bag is singular. Do not be distracted by the word books, which is plural, to fool you into thinking that books is the subject. Therefore, bag is the subject, which is the singular noun, and belongs is the verb, which is the singular verb. Therefore, the correct answer is this bag of books belongs to Lily. Now, let us see another tricky case. Tricky case 2. Subject verb agreement when subject is an indefinite pronoun. Now, look at the following sentences and guess the correct answers. Nobody claimed to be perfect or nobody claims to be perfect. Everybody plays the fool sometimes. Everybody play the fool sometimes. There is a very simple solution for this. As a general rule, add s to the end of the verb in the present tense to the following indefinite pronouns: one, anyone, someone, everyone, no one, anybody, everybody, somebody, nobody, anything, everything, something, nothing, each, either, neither. Therefore, the answers are nobody claims to be perfect. Everybody plays the fool sometimes. Now let us see another case. Subjects joined by "and" are plural even though the individual subjects are singular. Let us try to understand this with an example. The sentence "his wife and child was mentioned in the will" is incorrect. The correct sentence is "his wife and child were mentioned in the will." Here, individual subjects are singular, the wife and child, but it should be considered as a plural subject. Therefore, the following verb has to be plural. Money, distance, and measurements as subjects take singular verbs even though they sound like plural subjects. Now, let us try to understand with an example. $10 are not sufficient for me to buy the ticket is incorrect. $10 is not sufficient for me to buy the ticket is the correct sentence. Here, measurements as subjects take singular verbs. This is true even when the measurement is plural in form but singular in meaning. Here is another example. 30 minutes are too late to receive credit for the class is incorrect. 30 minutes is too late to receive credit for the class is the correct sentence. Now, to sum up, just keep in mind that no matter where the verb appears in a sentence, it must agree with its subject. Hope you all found this explanation useful.
Thanks for watching.